Okay, lesson 2 started. We've got y equals a to the x. And first thing we want is 64 to the power x. So that's 8 squared to the power x, which is 8 to the power 2x, which is as 8x squared. So that's just y squared. Next one, 8 3x plus 2. Again, I can write as 8 3x plus turns into a times 8 squared. 8 3x, just like the same reason as above, gives me y cubed. 8 squared is 64, so I just get 64y squared. And last one, 4x. Well, I need to write 4 in terms of 8. So I'm going to, first of all, write it as 2 squared to the x. Then I'm going to write that as 2 to the 2x. Then I'm going to write 2 as 8 cube rooted to the 2x times the powers. I get 8 to the 2/3 x, which just gives me y to the power 2/3. Second one, we've got y equals ln 2x plus 1, and we've got x is 2, and we want the tangent. Well, straight away, sub in 2 into here, so 4 add 1 is 5, so y is ln 5. I need gradient, so I need to differentiate it, so dy by dx. Well, ln gives me 1 over 2x plus 1, then I need times by the derivative of the bracket, times by 2, so that's 2 over 2x plus 1. Sub in x is 2, so dy by dx. If I sub in 2, I get 5 in the bottom, so 2 over 5. Therefore, my gradient is just 2 over 5. Then y minus y1, so y minus ln 5 is 2 over 5, x minus x1, so x minus 2. And you can write it however you want. I would times it by the 5, and expand by the 2, then take everything to one side, 2x is 5y minus 4 plus 5 ln 5 equals 0. Third one, root x minus 1 plus 3 is x. So I'm not going to square first of all, but I could, but it wouldn't help because of that plus 3. So I'm going to get rid of that plus 3 first of all. So x minus 3. Now I'm going to square both sides. So I get x minus 1. Remember, when I square this side, I don't just get x squared and 3 squared. I have to expand that bracket. So as if it was that. X minus 3, x minus 3. So you can do it quickly using the binomial. X squared minus 6x plus 9. Get a quadratic, x squared minus 7x plus 10. Solve on your calculator, and you get 2 and 5. Now remember, whenever we square something, whenever we start with the square root, we need to double check our answers work. So if I sub 2 into here, I get 2 minus 1 is 1, root 1 is 1, 1 out of 3 is 4, that doesn't equal 2. So x equals 2 doesn't work. 5 minus 1 is 4, root 4 is 2, 2 out of 3 is 5, so 5 does work. So my only answer is x equals 5. Fourth one, we've got un plus 1 is un minus 1 squared, and u1 is 2. So this formula just means to get the next term, I get my current term, I take away 1 from it, and I square it. So to get u2, I would do u1, which is 2, take away 1, and square it, so I get 1. To get u3, I would do u2, so I do 1 minus 1, square it, so I get 0. To get u4, I do u3, so 0 minus 1, square it, so minus 1 squared is 1. Then hopefully, can you spot there's a pattern? So my numbers are 2, 1, 0, 1. But then if I put 1 back in, I only get 0. If I put 0 in, I get 1. So after the 2, it then turns periodic. And we want the sum of the first 20 terms. Well, I'm going to have 1, 2. I'll then have 10 1s and 9 zeros. Yeah, if you think about getting rid of that 2, there'll be 19 terms left. So there'll be 10 of one number, 9 of the other number. So since 1 comes first, it's 10 ones, that must be 9 zeros. So work it out, just get 12. And last one, another pulleys one, which we're good at now. So pulley, particle, A and B. So 5 kilograms and 2 kilograms. So straight away put your forces on. So weight, 5G, 2G. Tensions, so they're pulling the particles up and they're trying to pull you down. Think which way acceleration is going to go. 5 is heavier, so acceleration is going to go down, and acceleration is going to go up on the 2. So get your 2 equations. So for A, I have 5G going down, take away T is 5A. And for B, I have T going up, take away 2G going down, that equals 2A, because F equals MA. Add them together so that the T's cancel out. So I've got 5G add minus 2G. So I've got 3G, 5A add 2A, 7A. So A is 3 over 7G. And if you type that in your calculator, you just get 4.2 meters per second squared.